Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renelle. Now, what I'm going to be doing today is actually doing my Boxycharm unboxing that we bought this month. It's the April box, so I'm really excited to show you what I've got. Okay. So, of course, you will notice that we did get an eye candy thing. And here it shows you, it tells you exactly what we got in the box for this month. Now, it does go with eye candy because we did get, there's 5 different variations of a ColourPop eyeshadow that you could have gotten. I'm not sure which variation I got, but the one that I received, I really have been dying to try. Now again, I do have a Macy bun. I have no makeup on because I'm videoing on a Sunday, so I'm just chilling at home with my husband, my son, and our animals that we've got. So that's the reason why my hair is up in a mess. It just doesn't look very good. I'm sorry. You know what, that's really getting on our nerves. And I have no makeup on because when I'm at home, I usually don't like to wear a lot of makeup or anything like that to give my skin a chance to breathe. I'll explain that in a couple of videos. So you will notice that's the reason why, because I am just filming on the same day. Now, this is really exciting for me because this is usually worth over $100, and I do have the pamphlet or the thing laid out in front of me that tells you exactly how much everything is. So I will tell you how much everything's supposed to cost. Now, when you open the box, the first thing that you'll notice is I have went ahead and opened it because I usually hate opening on stuff on camera because I usually cut myself. It comes and it looks like this right here, so you will see all the products in here. I have went ahead and took all the bubble wrap and stuff off of it. Now, the first thing that is in here is called the Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. Now, this is by Dr. Brandt. It's for oily or combination skin. I don't have any of that. I do have dry skin. So, what I plan on doing is I will give this a try. Now, this is a full size of it. It is around, oh, it's an ounce. Awesome. Okay, so this is an ounce, which I did not know. Now, this retails for $47. Okay, cool. It does say that this is award-winning pore refining mask is an extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin's surface. Ooh. Okay, no. Excuse you. No, Chanel. Sorry, my tight cat's in there. Okay. I think I should have shut that door. So this is $47. Apparently it's supposed to be a very good mask. It does say that the Dr. Brandt recommends after cleansing, apply a thin layer to areas of concern. Avoid eyes. Leave on 5 to 10 minutes until dry. A cooling sensation will occur. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Use 2 to 3 times per week for maximum results. So, since I do have pores around my nose, because my nose does get, I have a lot of pores there. I've been trying to suck them out, which it's not been happening. So I will be using this on this. So this will probably go into my skincare later on tonight. So I am excited about this. Now the other thing is this Brow Gal. Oh, the Brow Gal Instant. Ooh, it's got brown hair. So this is a tinted brow gel with microfibers. It's like that right there. Now it is in brown, which is good because that's what color hair I have. So this is $22. It says tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look, perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural feel to their eyebrows. So let's open this up and see what the brush. Ooh. Well, I don't understand why they have to have a big lid like this for a little pretty brush. So it is very, very small. Has no smell, which is good. So, and it has a sticker right here, but it's not that dark. No. So I'm really excited to use this. Again, I'm going to film a first impressions of a lot of makeup that you will see me hauling in the next week. I will be doing a first impressions on a lot of stuff that I've received, so please stay tuned for that. Now, the next thing is the Tarteist Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. Ooh, this is in the color Exposed. This is $29. Okay. This says it's a liquid highlighter. Perfect. Glow like a goddess with this creamy highlighter that builds from sheer to intense. Ultra concentrated pigments and pearls are suspended in the hybrid gel cream oil-free formula that you can mix with your liquid foundation or wear alone for naturally lit luminosity. Infused with rose water, it slips softly onto skin and keeps moisture in with tapered, squeezable packaging to put the highlight exactly where you want it. Really? It does all that? Okay. Well, we will be definitely trying that out. If it does all that and it's got rose water in it, I'm in. Because rose water is really good for dry skin. Now, I've never heard of this brand. I did do some research to try to find out more, but I honestly couldn't find out a whole lot. Now, I do have a lot of girls that I work with are also subscribed to this. Now, they've already worn their makeup. I have not. I've not touched it. I've been waiting to do this unboxing. A girl I work with, her name's Carrie, she told me that she had tried this. Now, this is a high definition liquid lipstick by Adese, New York. Never heard of this brand. She didn't like it. She said it was like very gloopy, very, you know, just very, it was just bad. I've not tried it, and when her saying that, I'm very hesitant. And the thing is, on the packaging, it doesn't say what color this is. So when I look down here, it says it's a high definition liquid lipstick. It's a luxurious creamy long-wearing liquid lipstick. It provides the dazzling full coverage of a lipstick with the ease of a wand applicator. It is made with advanced polymers and intense pigments for long-lasting, brilliant color and intense shine in a single sweep. It is cruelty-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free. Okay. Now, again, I don't know what color this is. It doesn't give the color on here. I've looked. I can't find anything about this. Now, ooh, I don't like the smell. Straight up, I can tell you that right now. This is what it looks like. So it is kind of a wand. They have been coming out with a lot more of these. So I will be trying this out to see. If I don't like it, I'll probably give it to my niece or something like that. She loves to get stuff like this. But I mean, the packaging is really pretty. It's very sturdy. It's kind of heavy, which I like. I'm hesitant on this one, to be honest. Because a couple of the other girls that I work with, they didn't like it either. And I have normally dry to chapped lips that I have to take really good care of. I have to exfoliate a few times a week and make sure that I keep stuff with SPF on it all the time. This, I might give to my niece. I might try it, but if I don't like it, we'll be giving this away. I can already see. Then the last thing that we got that I'm really excited for is the ColourPop eye palette. Now, the one that I received is the ColourPop Semi-Precious, which looks like this. I love this packaging color. Like, it's so pretty. It's blue. Now this one has 6 eyeshadows in it. And I'm really excited. And my sister got another one. I'm not sure which one she got. It's in her video that she got put up yesterday. So, this is originally $26. It says it's highly pigmented eyeshadow that applies evenly and feels ultra velvety and silky. This long-wearing formula contains a unique combination of softer powders, which adheres easily to the eyes, which gives a soft focus effects and blends smoothly and evenly. And I have to agree to that because I do love the ColourPop things. Now, it does not have a mirror. That is the only thing that I see. So if you were traveling with this palette, you would have to have a mirror set up. Now at home, I don't mind because I always do my makeup in front of a mirror and stuff anyway. But now with these colors, okay. With these colors, I really like them. Now I have Celestial, Beam Me Up, Easy Go, Up and Atom, The Game, Up on a Star, Bashful, Up West Star. So the ones I really like, I can done tell, which is going to be this purple color right here. Where am I? It's going to be right here. So I'm really excited to use this. I have not touched it. Now this is all shimmers. There's no mattes in this one at all. So you would have to use a few transition colors from another palette, or, I mean, you can, you know, you do have a brown that you can use right here. Where you at? Right there. So you can use this one if you like it. You know, I'm not a big fan of putting shimmers in my crease. I like to start off with a light transition color, then go in and, you know, do the rest of it. But we'll see. Like I said, I'm really excited to use this. So I will be definitely keeping you all up to date. So that was it. We did get 5 products, full-size products. I'm really excited about using all of them. This one is the only one that I'm iffy about. So we will see how this goes. But I want to thank you so much for tuning in, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, just subscribe and hit that bell notification, or hit the bell for more notifications, because sometimes even when you are subscribed to someone, you don't always get the notification. So I will see you later, and I hope that you all have a good day. Bye.